Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zabih and today I'm gonna unbox my very first mechanical gaming keyboard, and that is bloody B-418. So it's not completely mechanical, but it has 8 lightning strike keys. Yeah, I know lightning strike. I don't understand the mechanism behind this as well, so bear with me and see what I have got for this year. So there are some key points: double secure, water resistant, although I don't want to spill anything on it. Maybe sometime if I've taking any kind of breakfast and I've spilled the tea on it. Okay, let's go and unbox it. I'm doing it with one hand, that's why it's somehow kind of difficult, you know. So A4Tech logo here. Ta-da! Dun, dun, dun. Acha. Oh, there's some packaging. Just put it aside. Come on, dude, come out. I'm recording this voiceover and they have given us a box full of cash. Just kidding. Why do they do this? Okay, it's a rubber armrest. Very cool, very special. How dumb I am, closing the box like it has some real money in it. Okay, dude, just stop it. Stop focusing on it. Get the keyboard, dude. Yes, that one. Bring it out. Oh, nikal bhi le paya. This is the keyboard. Seems nice, although I'm using it right now and the video is quite old and I have to record the voiceover. Soot bar soot. हाँ जी क्विक गाइड है जी हमारे पास. Oh sorry, here's the quick guide, you know. Okay, just get over it. Hurry up, dude.
Jack it up.
Okay, the nicest feeling, although it's not a phone, mobile phone, you know, when you peel off the protector from the mobile phone, it's so damn satisfying. But this one is creepy. Hell yeah. Okay, this is the keyboard, man. I'm telling you, for the best keyboard for its price. I think I have purchased this for around 3.8k, and this keyboard is really nice. Feels sturdy, and I've take this keyboard for a number of events and like called for tournaments in Pakistan, specifically in Islamabad, and the keyboard feels so solid. It's all metal, and the 8 keys that I'm going to press now are the lightning strike mechanical keys, and the rest of them are normal rubber dome keys. I'll just connect it to my computer and let you guys see its lightning effect thunder. Okay, now this is the lightning effect. You can see you can adjust the lightning effect. There are 3 types of lightning: the stable one, the breathing mode, and the off mode, the very legendary off mode where you can see nothing. Okay, the full numeric pad. These are the brightness control buttons, and blah 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 blah. Tell me in the comment section, did you like this keyboard? If I hit 2000 likes, which I can't even hit, I know, so that's why I'm asking. If this video hit 2000 likes, I will give away this keyboard. Trust me guys, I will definitely do. And I know I can't even hit 1000. Okay, now in the night mode, I have turned out the light, turn off the lights, and see. Damn, it's beauty, dude. It's beauty. If you don't think it's a beauty, then subscribe to my channel and get off. Okay, I think that's it. The video is going to come over. Alright, dude. Goodbye, take care, peace out.
Jack it up.